What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy, Mr. Abdul himself. You dig? Today is just to show you today's video. How do we even say this? Because I didn't think about this. I just woke up, as you can see clearly. You feel me? Today is a proof is in the pudding type of video. What I'm trying to show you guys what you gain from investing long term. And today's a decent morning and I feel like showing you guys what's going on. Today I haven't traded, I haven't done anything to my accounts. I'm just waking up and opening them up and finna show you guys what I see. But it looks like we just hit our 10K goal. Hey, 10K goal for the month, you feel me? It is Tuesday, so yes sir. Let's get straight into it. And yes, sirski, you feel me? We just hit our 10K go, and I haven't traded shit today. A round of applause. But I just feel like people need to see to believe sometimes. So this is just me showing so you can believe that it's possible. Investing long term does work. And this isn't even my long term account, as we know. My long term account is voila, which is slower, but it's more secured and more safe. So as y'all can see from a year ago, damn, I ain't even really peeped this shit. From a year ago, I started this long-term account October of last year. Ain't no fucking way. That makes sense because I started this account May of last year, and then I just split the account and took some of the profit from that account and started my Fidelity account. So you know what I mean? And then added some more money right here, most likely, because that's a big jump. God damn it. That's a big jump. And then up until, what is this? What date is this? February 2025. Oh, this account didn't really take no hits. Oh, yes, it did. From right here. I just kept adding money. God damn. If y'all know how to, the plant issue I have. So I have some plants, not mine. I really don't give a fuck about them, but my shorty does. But the gnats keep coming out of them, or they keep recreating gnats no matter what we do. If you know how to fix that, please let me know in the comments, because they are fucking annoying. Especially when I'm in this bitch all day, every day by myself. I'm the only one that has to fight them off myself all day, every day. So please and thank you. Back to this. As we see, December was my probably all-time high for that year, and then boop, 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 and then boop, and then I just flooded the account with more money, and then some more blooping, and then flooded the account again. But yeah, back to all-time highs today. We already made $700 on my long-term account, so I feel like 1% of my portfolio is that's okay. God damn it, these motherfuckers pissing me off. But we gonna act like they not there for the video. Life ain't perfect. I just wanted to show y'all because I think I made a video. Well, I definitely made a video yesterday about how people need to just start investing, and this is looks like. Also, let me show y'all a smaller account, because I guess that would be good to see. Here we go. As you can see right here, I just wanted to make sure y'all can see it. Smaller account. This is my custodial account with my brother. He only gave me $64, and as y'all can see today, he's up a whole $1. So if he makes $1 for the rest of the year, he should be all right. If he makes $1 50% of the rest of the year, he should be all right. The proof is in the pudding. You just got to start somewhere. Yeah, I can make $4 out of doing nothing. He probably forgot about this account. Actually, he did, because he called me yesterday asking me about, oh, can I see my account? And here we are. We're doing similar numbers. It's just the size of which you start to invest with is what you're gonna gain back over the long term. So this is just another sign I wanted to share with y'all boys, so y'all can start as soon as possible, and then hopefully y'all can be living without investing, or living without having a 9-to-5, or worrying about rent. Even though I still worry, but that's just because my brain can't shut up. Yes, positive, stay motivated. This is a short video. I just wanted to basically show y'all that it's possible. You know what I mean? Got to start from somewhere. That ass, just pick a broker, throw some money in it, buy whatever you can research and decide is quality stocks. I have learned that I can't give out management or investing advice. I could only tell you what I'm doing. So if I tell you what I'm doing, you're gonna have to decide for yourself if you're gonna do the same thing. So apply or get a broker, put some money in it, buy some stocks. That's all you gotta do. And slowly but surely you will be at the stage my little brother is in, where he makes $1 a day. And then you keep adding more money, then you keep making $2 a day, $3 a day, $4 a day, whatever the fuck. And then it's like a rabbit hole of learning. So you just got to really want to apply pressure, and eventually you'll get there. But I got to go run. So get the rest of my day done. Stay positive, stay motivated. We did hit our 10K goal though. We did hit our 10K goal for the month. So, and it's only 5:13. You feel me? So appreciate that. Our work pays off. Hopefully we can do the same thing next month. If not, it is what it is. If we do, then yippee, on to the next. Once we hit 50K, I will probably pull some money out and pay off my damn master's program a little bit, towards my master's program. So next one, stay positive, stay motivated. Peace and love, baby. Hasta luego. Also, I'm new to this. I've only been doing this for 1.5 years, so I'm open to any advice. So future outlooks, I don't have plans on switching allocations soon. I don't have plans on selling any of my long-term positions. I'm not watching any different sectors. I am open to get in and get out plays, but my long-terms are my long-terms. Like Vanguard, I'm probably gonna have forever. Microsoft, I'm definitely having forever. Nvidia, I don't see anybody else beating them, so I'm definitely gonna have forever. Lilly, same boat. My top goal for 2025 is to get to 200K, preferably. It used to be 250, but that was before the 6 months of red happened, and now I'm back at my goal is to 200K. I used to add money into my account every month, but because of that 6 months of red, I feel like I am leaning towards the only 2 times a year, which is going to be sometime around February and sometime around August every year.